He's inspecting it. Good to go. What's going on? We just parked right there. It's very hard to get any type of parking. If you miss a turn, you pretty much gotta go backwards, but here we are. So we're gonna go eat at Duke's. So this place over here is pretty cool. It's a harbor mall area. That's what they're saying it is. So everything on the back there, you see it. Very cool. See yourself, Dix? Little Kauai fashion wear over here in this area. So yes, that's beautiful over there. Look at that. Look at the mountains. Very beautiful. So we're gonna eat at Duke's. First day, just got back from the airport. I know that went to Costco and I kept missing turns, so we had to keep backing up, but we're good. This is Duke's. Duke's is just on this side over here. That's where we ate. And it's very, very nice because it has its own view and the ponds in there. That's Marriott over there. And then the beach area. Look at that view, guys. On to the next. So you were here.
We are here at the Grand Hyatt, getting ready to check in, and we got late.
So this is one of the pools, it looks like. We're headed to our room, right?
Yes.
here we are in front of the beach in our resort hotel in Kauai. Just got done flying the drone. It's raining a little bit. Look at that.
There are some surfers out there. I wouldn't swim in the water, but if I was a surfer.
So the sunrise is over there, or sunset in that area. And then this is our resort in Kauai. Beautiful. I'm recording already. So this is our pool, part of it. Ooh, it feels good. So we're exploring a little bit. Look at this, they got some waterfalls over here.